video. We've got a beautiful little giant TCRT. I think this is like a 1997 model. Integrated brake cable there through the top tube. These shifters, come look at that. Get a close up here, Natasha, please. Look at that. This is how gunked up these shifters are. Go to a bike shop. Most bike shops, nah, mate, need $500 new shifters. Thanks a lot. Cash or card, please. Look at that. Just won't shift at all. The solution, what happens is in the Shimano shifters here, just that old grease. This is like 1998 shifters, 97 shifters, 98 shifters. So it's just gunked up in there. This is the part of the job we don't like. We're going to use some chemicals here. I generally wear eyes just for the vapors, and we're going to spray it in there.
Don't you need to remove the old gunk?
No.
I know.
You could. We're doing the backyard job here. You could put it in like a micro washer or something like that. But I found that not really necessary. And we just let them soak overnight, and you sort of go like that about 100 times, and eventually, I can already start to hear it clicking through a bit better. You know, it's just patience. Most people don't have that patience. They're like, yeah, just chuck them in landfill. But these shifters last a long, long time. You know, they last a really long time. So all we have to do is just get immersive in there. Use some immersive solvent, degrease this. This is a silicone spray lubricant. You know, no mess, no fuss, they say. Smells pretty carcinogenic. But it's around in the ports there where the cables go. I love bringing old stuff back to life, man. I don't know why. I love restoring things, especially when these bikes perform better than the SL7 Tarmac S-Works, which I have. I prefer this bike, working this bike, riding this bike, because I can put some lighter parts in here and get it really ringing and clinging. Do the cable tension on that, and yes, it's going to be clicking through. It won't happen like instantly. That's what happens is people try it and it doesn't work. Look at, here we go. Did we hear that? Come a bit closer, Natasha, see this. So I'm pulling on the cable here and let the click. This baby's coming back to life. Again, it takes a while. Bit of work, bit of TLC, a few rides. Or we're getting a click. Another click now. Oh, one click. So we're one click out of 9. That's not too bad. Again, it's just going to take a while, and I'll do a follow-up video. This is how you restore these. Always come back to life. Always come back to life. People just give up, man. People in life give up very, very quickly, don't they? It's not working right now. It doesn't work, but it'll work. So let soaking for a few hours. Come back, click it. Spray again. Come back, click it. That's how you restore your Shimano levers to perfection. We'll do a follow-up video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so it's been about, how many minutes has it been, Natasha, you reckon?
5.
5 minutes, and listen to this. All right. Here, listen to here. So we're going to go 1. I've got it right at the block here. Now listen to this. We only had one click before. First we had no click. The lever was stuck out. Now listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got the whole block now works. Now that's the shifter done, and then I'll take these cables out, put a bit of tri-flow lube through here. It's going to be good as new. So if you've got a bike shop and they're saying your shifters are bung, you know they're inexperienced mechanics, and or they just want to service new shifters. So even the left one as well working now. Look at that. It's a little bit sticky, but since that, how good is that? Boom. Damn, you know. If I took this bike to a local shop, it might charge me $300 or $400 Aussie to get it blinging again. And it's going to take me a couple of hours, and it's going to be really enjoyable to bring this bike back to life, because these TCR teams are a legit bike, and they deserve to be on the road and in prime condition. It just goes to show you. Bang, how good's that? How good is that?